All right, guys. So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, every time you're watching us, this is my therapist. So, I'll be solving some few questions here on some initial question rather. So, please do well to share, like, and also engage on this video. All right. So, we have a question, and the question implies that 2 raised to power x plus 1 plus 2 raised to power x equals to what? 48. So we're asking this question to find or look for the value of x, right? So how do we look for the value of x? And remember, this is an initial question, that's indices. You have to understand the simple rules of indices from the power rule, multiplication rule, and etc. etc. So we have this according to the rule of indices. That's a multiplication rule. It says if we have a raised to power m times a raised to power n. Now what happens is that since we have two same identical base here, we pick one of the base and we add the exponent, which is the power, right? So this is going to be a raised to power what? M plus n. We pick one of the a here, which is the base, and add their exponent. So you can see that this guy here eh, has been transformed to this guy. So this question now can be expressed as this. So let's see how we can express that. This is going to be 2 raised to power x times 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 raised to power x equals what? 48. From here, we have two methods alternatively which you can use to simplify this. Number one is by factorization, number two is by giving a command. But I like giving a command. You can say let 2 raised to power x equals to p. Of course, you can pick any variable. So I'm just picking p. That simply means any place you see 2 raised to power x, you substitute it with what? P. So this is going to be p times 2 raised to power 1 plus this place now automatically is what? P equals what? 48. And 2 raised to power 1 is still 2, right? P times 2 is 2p plus p equals to 48. 2p plus p is just like saying 2 plus 1, right? Because the coefficient of p is 1. So that's going to be 3p equals to what? 48. So I'm looking for the value of p. I'm not looking for the value of 3p. What are we going to divide both sides by the coefficient of p, which is 3? So divide both sides by this. 3 cancel 3, and p equals to 3 here 1, 3 going to 48 16 times. So we have here p equals to 16. But we are not done with the question. The question says we should look for the value of x, not p. We just look for the value of p. So remember, from this command here, we say that let what? 2 raised to power x equals to p. And what is p now? P is what? 16. So let's substitute that. So that's 2x equals to what? 16. Let's make 16 to have the same base as 2 here. Or let's present it in an index form. So this is going to be 2. Sorry, let me use a good marker. This is going to be 2 raised to power x equals to 2. 2 in how many places will be 16? That will be 2 in 4 places, right? That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 4 is what? 16. That is 2 raised to power 4 will give us what? 16. And the rule of indices says when we have two same base, we equate their powers or their exponents. So the base here are the same. So therefore, x is equal to what? 4. And x is equals to 4. 4 is the correct answer to this question. Please do well to share. Don't forget to hit the like button. This is my therapist. Have a nice day.